Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In the last video, we created the first program in C++ and we printed hello world in that program. In this video, we are going to learn about the comments in C++ program. So comments are non-executable statements that are added in a program to increase the readability of the program. And these statements are non-executable and they do not affect the execution or output of the program. For example, I want to enter a comment on the fifth line of this code and I want to write this program is displaying a message. So this is the statement that I have written, but as you can see right now, this and program has been underlined with red line, which means that this is an error and we cannot execute this program. We have written a sentence in English language, but this is an error because C compiler cannot understand this English language. So what should we do to eliminate this error message? We also want to add a comment in this program. So we can do it by using this symbol twice. This is a backslash, this is a forward slash that is used to add a comment, and we use it twice. And you can see the message has now become green in color. This is a single line comment. You can also add multi-line comment, and in order to do that, we can use the same symbol, and after that we have to put static. Now you can see that everything after this multi-line comment has been included in that comment. And in order to finish this comment and this comment, you can end it by using this symbol again. So now you can see that the whole program has been commented out. And when I will run this program, nothing will happen. No hello world message will be displayed in front of us because we have commented that statement. So we can add comments in two ways. One is a single line comment, which can be added by putting two forward slashes, and we can add a multi-line comment by putting one forward slash and asterisk. And we can end that comment by putting a asterisk sign, and after that we put forward slash. So I hope that you have understood the concept. If there is any question, let me know in the comments section, and please subscribe the channel.